Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. So today let us discuss the part B questions of your mensuration chapter. Okay, just give me 1 second. So before I start the class, before I start doing the actual questions, let me tell you, these questions are from your Abhyasa Deepika. So now one of the questions in the pre-final paper which I solved, one question was the same. Okay, so you can expect Abhyasa Deepika questions. Okay, so let us start the session. Before getting into the actual questions, let me tell you the list of the formulae. Okay, so cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. These are the six formulae which you have to know. Six shapes. So you should know what is the lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of these six shapes. Okay. Now cuboid, the 2D shape of a cuboid is rectangle, isn't it? It is a rectangle. Now for rectangle only, if you give height to rectangle, it will become a cuboid shape. Now 2D shape of a cube is square. If you are adding all squares one above the other, square over a square, square over a square, you get a cuboid shape. Sorry, cube shape. Now cylinder to a circular shape. Okay, if you are adding all the circular shapes one above the other, one above the other, you will get a cylinder. Okay, and cone is a different shape. Now you have a circular shape in the base and you have a vertex at the top, right? And sphere and hemisphere both are, you have to learn both together. Cylinder and cone you will learn together. Cuboid and square cube you will learn together. So I'll tell you how to learn. Now, to find the lateral surface area, what is the meaning of lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is nothing but the area of the four sides. Now, suppose if I take the room in which I am sitting right now, so if I want to paint the four walls, just the four walls. Now, the room is a cuboid shape. If I want to paint the four walls, I should calculate lateral surface area. If I want to know what is the total surface area, which means I have to take all the four walls area plus the roof, area of the roof and the area of the flooring, which means all the six sides I'll have to take. Okay, lateral surface area means only the four sides you have this way. Total surface area means along with the four sides, the top and the bottom also you will take. Okay, that is total surface area. Volume is nothing but the capacity, the total capacity which you can fill it in that particular shape. Okay, that is called volume. Okay, so now here for lateral surface area, I told you cuboid 2D shape is rectangle. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Do you remember? Now to this rectangle only I said you will add height. So here just write height. You will get the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now what is the lateral surface area? See here for cube lateral surface area. So what is the perimeter of cube? Sorry, what is the perimeter of square? See here. Now the 2D shape of cuboid is rectangle. So if I want to get the lateral surface area, it is nothing but to perimeter you will multiply height. Perimeter of rectangle you will multiply height. So 2 into L plus B you will multiply height. If I want to find the lateral surface area of cube, it is actually easy. So all the sides are square. So one side area is a square. So four sides area is 4a square. Six sides area will be 6a square. But still if you want to have any formula, so it is nothing but to the perimeter of the square, just multiply the height. Okay, so perimeter of the square is 4a. Here in this case, you have taken the side as a. If it is 4s, if you are taking the side as s, it is 4s. So to this 4a, you multiply the height. What is height here in this case? Height is also a. So you will get a square. Now if you want to find the lateral surface area of cylinder, only this curved surface area. So for cylinder, we call this as lateral surface area, or you can also call it as curved surface area. For cylinder and cone, we call it as curved surface area also. Why? Because it is curved in shape. Okay. So curved surface area of cylinder is nothing but, see here, the base of the cylinder is circular. To this circle only you are adding height, isn't it? So circumference of circle is nothing but 2 pi rh. So to this 2 pi rh, you will multiply h. Again, can I say it is perimeter into height? Now for cone, you'll have to remember. Okay, for cone it is nothing but pi r into L. L is nothing but the slant height of the cone. Okay, so if you take this is the cone, so this is the vertical height and this is the slant height. Okay, and how do you find, see this is the radius and you should know that slant height square, so now this is a right angle triangle, so slant height is hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, so here pi rl you have to remember. Now for sphere, so sphere you can cover it by 4 circles. So total area of the sphere is 4 times area of each circle, or you can write 4 times pi r square. Area of each circle is pi r square. Now hemisphere is half of this. So sphere, half of the sphere value, you will get it as 2 pi r square. Now for sphere, total surface area and lateral surface area are same. You don't have two different surfaces. It is only one surface. But for hemisphere, you have two surfaces. Okay. So this is 4 pi r square. Make it half. 2 pi r square is for hemisphere. Half of the sphere. Clear. Now for total surface area, how do you get the total surface area? See here, for the lateral surface area, to this lateral surface area only, you just add the other surface. Okay, so what is the other two surfaces? Top and bottom you are adding, right? So 2, let me write this as 2 into, this is nothing but LH plus BH, 2 into LH plus BH. So to this LH, BH, what is the other combinations here? L, B, H. You have these three combination. So LH and BH you have taken here. So to this LH and BH you will also add LB now. Okay, so this is 2 LH plus 2 BH plus 2 LB also I am taking. Okay, so for lateral surface area I told you the trick how to find. So 2 LH plus 2 LB. So LH and BH are done. So lastly you will take only LB. Okay, so just add LB here. This BH and LH already you have it in the lateral surface area. Okay, and for volume, volume is nothing but area of rectangle into height. You will get volume. Area of rectangle is length into breadth into height. You will get volume. Now, area of a square. Area of a square into height. Area of a square is A square. A square into height is also A. So, you will get A cube. Here, area of a circle. Area of a circle. Here, see the base is circle, isn't it? So area of a circle into h. Area of circle is pi r square into h. Here, now for cone, it is 1/3 of the area of a cylinder. So area of a cylinder is area of circle into h. So pi r square into h. So if you divide this by 3, you will get the area of a cone. Now area of a sphere, you will have to remember it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now for volume, you will get r cube. Okay, it is 4 by 3. You have 4 here also. So by 3 pi r cube. Now for hemisphere, you divide this by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos gets cancelled. So this will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Is it very clear? Okay. Now total surface area for the cube is nothing but 4a square plus top and bottom are also square. So it is a square and a square. So it is 6a square. Now for cylinder, curved surface area is 2 pi rh plus. Now bottom and top are circular shape. This is circle and this is also a circle. So 2 times pi r square I have to add. Now just take 2 pi r common, you will have h plus r. Now for cone, it is pi rl is curved surface area plus. Now the base is a circle. So I have to add the area of the circle. So pi r I can take common, I'll have L plus r. So you don't have to by heart the formula. So you can see the formulas I'm deriving it here. Okay. Now this is 4 pi r square, it is same. Total surface area, lateral surface area of sphere is same. For hemisphere, total, see, curved surface area is 2 pi r square. So this part is 2 pi r square. But I have a circle also. Now for total surface area, along with this 2 pi r square, you will take the area of the circle. So it is 3 pi r square. Is it very clear? So for lateral surface area, I am taking perimeter into height. For volume, I am taking area into height, area of the 2D figure into height. For total surface area, I am just adding the other two areas. For this perimeter into height, I am adding the top and bottom surfaces areas. Clear? Yes. So make this table once by yourself today. So after this class, you make the table by yourself. Write the 6 names: cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. Cuboid, cube, learn together. Cylinder, Cone, learn together. Sphere and hemisphere, you learn together. Only 6 shapes you have. If you are learning these 6 formulae, you will be able to do the questions easily. Okay, questions also I'll help you to do. Firstly, let's do part B questions. Surface areas of two spheres are in the ratio. Okay, sphere 1, sphere 2 surface area is in the ratio 4:9. Now, what is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. Let me take the radius as r1, 4 pi r2 square. Okay, so it is 4 by 9. So 4 pi cancel. So r1 by r2 whole square is 4 by 9. Or can I write r1 by r2 is nothing but root 4 by 9 square transposing into the other side is square root. So r1 by r2 is 2 by 3. Okay, now I have to find the ratio of the volumes of the sphere. So volume 1 by volume 2 I have to find. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. For volume it is r cube. For area it is r square. Divided by again 4 by 3 pi. Let me take this as r2 cube. For the first sphere I will take r1 cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. So volume 1 by volume 2 is nothing but r1 by r2 whole cube. So r1 by r2 value you got it as 2 by 3. So substitute here. So this is 2 by 3 whole cube. Or you get it as 8 upon 27. So 8 upon 27 is the correct answer. So option B is correct. Here beta. Let's proceed to the next question. If radius, height and slant height of a cone. Okay, so radius, height and slant height of a cone are given to you. Our radius is r, height is h, this is height, and this is slant height. And we know that this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so using Pythagoras theorem, we know L square equal to R square plus H square. So check where is that option. Option C is correct. Okay. Next question, the ratio of volume of a cylinder and cone. So volume of cylinder and volume of cone. So ratio means division. It is, you have to find the ratio of it. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h, isn't it? Area of circle into h, pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So pi r square h, pi r square h gets cancelled. So it is nothing but now this 1 by 3, if it goes up, it becomes 3 by 1. So what is the ratio? It is 3:1. Ratio is 3:1. So option B is correct. Now suppose if they are asking what is the ratio of cone is to cylinder. Cone is to cylinder. It is 1:3. If the ratio is cylinder is to cone, it is 3:1. That means the volume of cylinder. Okay, if you take the volume of cylinder and if you take the volume of a cone of same radius is same and height is also same for both the cylinder and the cone. So 1/3 volume fills the cone. Okay, so this is actually 3 parts if I divide. So with the cone, I'll have to measure 3 times. Okay, the cylinder volume, suppose if I'm filling it with water, I'll have to measure 3 times. So the cylinder, I have 3 times of the cone. Okay, or cone is 1 time of the cylinder. Now next one, the total surface area of a hemisphere. What is TSA of hemisphere? TSA of hemisphere or CSA of hemisphere? I told you for hemisphere, you don't have 2 surface areas. You have only 1 surface area. So total surface area of hemisphere is nothing but 1 second. It is hemisphere. I'm so sorry. I drew a sphere here. I'm so sorry. So for hemisphere, so this part, this curved part is nothing but 2 pi r square, half of the sphere. Okay, and plus this upper portion I'll have to take. So CSA plus the top portion. CSA is nothing but 2 pi r square, curved surface area, plus top portion is circle, so it is 1 more pi r square area of a circle. So total it is 3 pi r square. Okay, so option B is correct. Total surface area of a cube. Okay, so TSA of cube is given as 864. Then its side is how much? We know TSA of cube is 6a square equal to 864. So a square equal to 864 divided by 6. So cancel and see how much are you getting. 6 ones are 6. You have a 2 here. 26, 6 fours are 24. You have a 2 again. So 4s are. So a square is 144, or a will be root 144, or you can write it as 12. So 12 centimeters. Okay, so a is 12 centimeters. So once you know the formula, just the calculation you have to do. Next question, the base diameter and height of a cone are 8 and 3. So diameter is 8. So radius is how much? Radius is 4, half of diameter, and height is 3. You have to find the slant height. Slant height formula just now we discussed. It is r square plus h square. So that is equal to r square. It is 4 square plus h is 3. So 3 square. So it is 16 plus 9. So this is 25. What is this? L square is 25. So L is nothing but root 25, or you get it as 5. Okay, so this is 5 centimeter. So this is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Next question, the diameter of a sphere which is inscribed in a cube. So you have a cube. Okay, I'm drawing one of the face of the cube. Now you have a sphere which is inscribed in the cube. Matlab you have a sphere which is inside in the cube. Okay, so cube side is A units. Now the diameter, see this is the diameter of the sphere. So this is equal to the side of the cube. So it is also equal to 8. Sorry, A. So they are asking diameter of a sphere which is inscribed in a cube of side A. Side of a cube is actually equal to the diameter of the sphere. Okay, so side of cube, from the figure you can see. Side of this cube is equal to the diameter of the sphere. Okay, so I can say that the answer is A. It is also A units. Okay, now what is radius? Radius is A by 2 units. Half of the side. Now, volume of a cylindrical shaped bowl. Okay, volume of a cylindrical shaped ball. Or let me write volume of cylinder is 125 pi centimeter cube. Height is given as 5. Okay, then you have to find, then it's, the question is incomplete here. Then it's, I think it has to be radius. Okay, let's see. So, volume of a cylinder, pi r square h. Cylinder is this shape. So volume, how will you get? Area of the base into height. Area of the base is pi r square into height is h. So this is given as 125 pi. See here, calculation is easy. Pi and pi is getting cancelled. So you have r square h equal to 125. R square into h is 5 equal to 125. So r square is nothing but 125 divided by 5. So 5 1 time 5 2 times 10, and you will have 5. So which means r square is 25, or you will get r is 5 units, or you have 5 centimeter cube. It is given in centimeters, so let me write it as 5 centimeters is R. Okay, so which option is correct? Option C is correct. Here beta. Next question. The shape of a the shape formed by rotating a right angled triangle. So this is your example problem of your textbook. They are just asking you the shape now. So if it is a right angle triangle, suppose this is a right angle triangle. So if I am rotating the right angle triangle along its hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, isn't it? If I am rotating the vertex along with the hypotenuse this way. So if I am rotating this in this way. So what happens if I am rotating this way? What happens? So you will see there is one more shape, this way it is formed. So if you are rotating it, so what happens? So this vertex A is rotating, isn't it? So you have some shape like this which is formed. So what is the shape here? If you can see. So if I draw this, this is nothing but a cone. You have one cone this side. This is one cone, and this is another cone. So it is double cone which is formed actually. Or you can, here since here the option is only cone, you can go with this option. Okay. Next question, if A is the length, B is the breadth, and C is the height of a cuboid. Okay. Length is A, breadth is B, and height is C. Then the curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cuboid. How will you get the curved surface area of a cuboid? 2D shape is what? 2D shape is rectangle. So perimeter into height I can take. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B into height. Okay, so this way you can remember it easily. So 2 into L is A plus B is B, breadth is B only, height is C. So what is the answer? I am getting 2C into A plus B. So option C is correct. Okay, so these are the questions given in your Abhyas Deepika, and I hope there are no doubts in these questions. So yesterday, last question, the answer was 7 upon 25. So by mistake, I wrote this as 5. It was 16 minus 9, I guess. 16 minus 9 is 7. So there I wrote the answer wrong. It is 7 upon 25. Please correct it. And I'll see you in the next session. So we have started mensuration. Mensuration essay questions also I'll discuss. And please let me know what are the topics you want me to teach right now. So apart from whatever I'm teaching, part B, you asked me part B, so I'm giving you part B. Along with essay questions, I'll start. So apart from that, which chapters you want me to concentrate more? Please let me know in the comment box. Okay, and do subscribe to the channel if you are new. Do like the video right now and share it with all your friends. And do comment and let me know how are you liking the classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.